good time. So.
Yeah, it's not too busy today.
Well, that's good.
All right. Well, I'm gonna let you go. I love you.
I love you too, son. So.
All right. Bye-bye.
I'll talk to you again.
Okay. See you, Papa. Bye.
Bye. Bye, everybody.
I'll try to call him up on the engineer.
Where we at, Bob?
We're getting close to the top of Engineer Pass.
I think we're on top of the world. Top of Engineer Pass. Oh my goodness.
You think that's what it is? You don't think it's leaking?
It is leaking. It's just
Well,
running
yeah,
out of here.
It's because it got too hot.
We got transmission fluid coming out.
It was boiling over right at the top.
That's at the odor point.
That's where we're going, ain't it?
Yeah.
There's
Here
a
comes
bunch of
Darley.
people. There's a
Look at
bunch
that.
of- there's-
Wow.
Yep.
Red spot.
There's that pickup truck he's talking about.
Well, you'll be going downhill now, so.
We should be able to take them down.
Can you hear me? You talk to him. Standing here looking at Darley Mountain. We're on Odom Point. The O Point. On Engineer.
Wind is blowing so hard. Probably won't be able to hear what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's the first time it hasn't been very windy up here.
I don't know what town this is, but it's
Well, I'll tell you what, now this here was a
an
mining.
old mining town.
It just says mines off to the right here.
There's the Duncan house, this one.
This is kind of an interesting little mining town.
Somewhere between Silverton and Ouray. Campground right down that street.
Okay.
That's Ouray.
That's your ring?
Yes, it is.
Wow. Where you at on $1 million highway up there around the switchback?
No, we're at Box Canyon.
Okay.
Just right outside of Ouray. There's a Box Canyon, a place where you can go and hike and walk around. And that's where Taylor and I are at.
Yeah.
We're standing right on top of the Box Canyon Falls. Here, I'm gonna point down and show you what we got. Can you see all that?
Looks like a little bit of a road.
No, that's a river. That's a, yeah, that's a canyon. Here, I'm gonna go to the other side. Okay, you see the canyons?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna pan down. That's water running down through there.
Okay. No, yeah. Wow. Quite a cut.
Yeah. I'm gonna turn you back over here to the overlook of Ouray. What do you think about that?
We're at Ouray, Colorado. These are some of the mountains. There's sand.
That'd be a pretty shot down there. Ouray. Might have to wait till we got for a while.
$1 million highway to Silverton.
There's Sharon sitting up here in the wildflowers. It's another wildflower.
Biggest dining room in the world. Here's the old mill. We always like to go back to. Oh, I can't stop now. This is the old mill in Crystal Lake, Colorado. With our catch of today. See how he's smiling?
Well, needless to say, that is our catch of the day there. There's Sharon down there on that old rock, waving at me.
Hold him up, Bob. We're up here at Summit Lake, going up to Mount Evans.
Looking at a couple silly people.
This is the highest road, elevated road in the United States. We're over 14,000 feet.
Brainerd Lake. We walked up here. Sharon, she's out of breath, so am I. She made it. Sharon's, she's taking a picture of Ouray. Yankee boy basic.
Bob got on the train, getting ready to go.
You're sharing a ball. Doctor, they don't want you. Ready?
He said he was tired of sitting on the motorcycle and look at him, sitting on a rock.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you this morning?
Just wonderful.
Good.
Now, got that over with, what?
Say hi, Sharon.
Hi.
Top of Monarch Pass. In der snow.
And then we got the main guy here. We're going up Monarch, see how the big diesel pusher does. There they are. What's the matter?
See the snow?
Yes. Tell you what, this is just a hair scary.
Okay, what did you think
Are you
when they
still
said
recording?
12,000 feet? Yes. What are you wanting to say?
I'm done.
We're done.
You ain't done yet. You're gonna have to turn this sucker around someplace. Ready? This ain't nothing like it.
No, absolutely not. Wow. Wow. Unbelievable.
Taylor, up there.
Taylor trying to get away. Everybody trying to get away, and it's only like 3,000 feet down, looks like.
This is Lake Como at Hurricane Pass.
Alright, let's do this. Worth every minute. Every minute.
It's freezing us out. We got the heater on.
Hey, it's nice.
It's cold, isn't it?
Really
Taylor?
nice. We've got a bunch of pansies in here.
Now we have a new driver cutting his teeth on it.
You want to take any more pictures? I have a feeling I probably had to buy some more film. I thought forward rows would be playing. Okay. Somebody.
Filming Deanna, filming me.
Wave everybody.
Hi, Ange.
Hi guys. Hi Jan.
Don't!
Can you believe
I just got through cleaning it.
Crystal Mill.
Taylor's mad and I can't video.
This is what we come up here for. See this.
Sure you're alright?
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm going back.
Okay. You're doing good. Mom, tell them what you say. We thought she'd be scared up here. No, this is cool. Have fun?
I think his thing's gonna break off.
Now, Taylor.
Pride and joy right there. That's what I'm talking about. Absolutely.